What's up, guys? I'm back. It's AdELA University. So today I want to talk about budgets. Should you let the fact that you don't have a budget get in the way of your creativity? Let me think about that. No, obviously not. The thing about being a creator like you and I is we are creative. That is the key word. So let's say you have this amazing concept for a music video and you don't have $100,000 to spend on it. I want you to stop and I want you to write all those ideas down and I want you to figure out ways to get around it. Meaning, how can I have a really cool video creatively without having this huge budget? For instance, when I first started, I was making music and I didn't have I might have had a couple $100s for budgets for videos. So I started getting really creative. One music video I did, it was insane because it looked big budget. It was 4th of July and I was in Florida and I went to Hollywood where I knew if I got on a rooftop somewhere, I would be able to catch 3 different cities doing fireworks shows. And we did the music video guerrilla style. It was ill. People saw it and couldn't believe, how did you do that? How'd you get all the fireworks in the sky during your music video? Well, it was 4th of July, so I hacked it. Another video I did, I needed an all-white background, so I thought, all right, well, I'm gonna clear out my living room, and we cleared out an entire wall, and we projected the galaxy on me, and visually, it was just different, and people responded to it. So those are ways that I got around not having a budget and being creative. Also, feel free to, as an artist, an independent artist, feel free to build with other creators who are also on the come up, right? So if you find a videographer and he's just starting out and he wants really good content for his demo reel and you need a really good video, that's a perfect match. Same with producers and artists and everyone else in this business. There's always a way for you to find people, network with them, and build with them. But remember, if you are going to hit someone up to collab with them, bring value to what they are doing as well, right? Don't hit someone up and say, hey, I like your stuff. Will you do a video for me? Well, what are you bringing to the table? Are you going to be promoting it? Do you have a fan base to promote it? Are you going to be planning and storyboarding the entire video? Are you bringing really cool locations? What are you bringing to the table? So should budget get in the way? Never. Okay? We're creatives. We know how to work this and get around it. So that's all I have today. Super quick. Yeah. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, and I'll see you next week. Bye.